want to shoot from up to down like this? Want to shoot from up to down? Do a few. Put your phone down. I'm at f2.8, you guys. There we go. All right, you guys. Let's go ahead and see what kind of shots we can get right here with her. I'm gonna give you guys like multiple different, like, you know, different angles of what we got and stuff like that. So we're gonna see what we can do. All right, let's see. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Let's see. 3, 2, and 1. 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 That's hard, that's hard. Actually walk down the stairs, like go up a little bit more and then like walk down a few of the steps. Yeah, just like that. Ready? 3, 2, and 1, come down. There we go. Catching her in motion, you guys, you know what I'm saying? Just doing a little bit of that, you know. All right, one more and then like, there we go. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, bet. Now do some of like you just interacting with like this, maybe like your back here. Yeah, your back there. Yeah, there we go. And I'm gonna be like from here shooting in there. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more. Hold it, hold it, hold it. One more behind this wall a little bit. See? There we go, yep. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Is that you? Yeah, you're dying? All right, I got you. 3, 2, 1. Look right here. Bet. Let me get Einstein out the air. Yeah, let's see, there we go, yep. 3, 2, 1. I'm using all the different leading lines, you guys. The lines everywhere is like leading towards her even more. Kind of getting the view of what she's looking at, you guys. Getting different angles as well. There you go, yep. There you go, hold it. Don't be afraid to move around, you guys, and make sure that you get all the different angles that you need and want. Don't be afraid. There we go. And yep. Yeah, one more time. So with the shutter speed, make sure that's at 250 or above to be able to catch the actual smoke as it leaves the mouth. Do one more. I'm gonna get a little bit lower with this, you guys. Hold it. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. I do it the opposite way because I like these lines more. Play with the lining, you guys. Pull, 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 pull. One more. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Now do one straight on, looking straight on. Hold it, let me see. 3, 2, 1. The only way to really catch that, you guys, is that shutter speed. You have to prioritize your shutter speed. Disgusting. That was terrible. Do like a, like cook it. You know what I'm saying? Like cook it, yeah. Yeah, see, that was a lot. I'm gonna do that one again. One more, you stuttered. Bet, one more. Now do one like when you kind of put your like back like that way, but turn this way. Yeah, like that. Like yeah, there you go. Yeah, there we go. Chill. Yep. There you go. Yep. Cool. Get after school on some shit. Yep. Eye contact with me real quick. Like you glance over. Bet.
Can you do it close to this little like brand shit?
I bet.
Like just my mouth and hands. Well, I mean.
Crown bar, right? Yeah, go ahead. Do it again.
Yep.
Yeah, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. One more, keep going. Do it again, do it again. There you go.
Disclaimer. Vaping is terrible for y'all. Do not vape. This is just a prop. Do not vape. But if you're gonna do anything, don't smoke cigarettes, vape. Yeah. So
don't smoke cigarettes, don't vape. But vaping is worse than cigarettes though. It's like 14 cigarettes. Yeah, disclaimer, we're just using these. We're not inhaling. You know, the idea is like trying not to like and get a high, just like, you know, put it in your mouth and like release it out of your mouth, you know? So just prop users.
Not vape.
Exactly. Disclaimer.
It's a disclaimer.
Disclaimer.
Yeah, okay, yeah. We're gonna get sponsored by these people. I don't know.
Love you guys. Thank you guys for tapping in with us, man. No. I love you guys. Thank you guys for tapping in. Let me know what else you guys want to see, what more vibes, any more brand types vibes you guys want to see. I'll bring those to you guys. If you guys want me to bring Jules back, I'll bring her back.
Yes.
But you know, as always, until next time.
Taxi.
Yeah. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again, I say so long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again.